Hey Templett Sellers! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Shopify store to your Templett account. Let's dive right in and get your shop connected so that you can streamline your order process. Start by logging into your Templett account and head over to the integrations page in Settings. To start the integration process, click on Integrate a Shop. Go ahead and click on Shopify and a panel will appear where you can enter info in regards to your Shopify store. The first info that you can put in is your shop name. Go ahead and enter that in before continuing with the integration process. Now we need to create a custom app in Shopify. In a new tab, log into your Shopify account. Click on Settings in the bottom left corner. At the top of the left menu is your shop URL. Go ahead and copy that and paste it into the shop URL section in your Templett integration page. Now go back to your Shopify tab. In the left menu, select Apps and Sales Channel. At the top right corner, click on Develop Apps. If this is your first time here, you'll need to enable custom app development. Click the Allow Custom App Development button. On the confirmation page, select Allow Custom App Development again. Now you're ready to create the custom app for Templett. On the app development page, click Create an App. Name the app Templett. Now make sure it's in all lowercase. Then click Create App. Next, click the button labeled Configure Admin API Scopes. Under Admin API Access Scopes, select the following permissions: read customers, read orders, read product listings, and finally, read products. Click Save to confirm your selections. Now, click the API Credentials tab. Select Install App. When the confirmation window appears, click Install. Once installed, you'll see a section labeled Admin API Access Token. Click Reveal Token once. Something important to note, this access token will only be shown once, so make sure to copy it right away. Click the clipboard icon next to the token to copy it. Go back to your Templett tab and paste the Admin API Access Token you just copied into the field provided. Switch back to your Shopify tab and copy the API key. Return to Templett and paste the API key in its designated field. Repeat this process with the API secret key. Copy it from Shopify and then paste it into Templett. Click Save. And that's it. Your Shopify shop is now fully connected and will start receiving orders using the new integration. If you'd like to create a test order, feel free to do so. Just make sure you're not using the same email address associated with your Templett account. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Shopify store to Templett. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help. Happy designing.